Welcome to CartSmart, where we carefully evaluate, review, and analyze products so you can make smarter purchases without overspending. Product link is in the description. Today we're taking a closer look at the fast Cat6 Ethernet Cable 1000 FT bulk spool, a high-performance networking cable designed for fast internet connections, home networking setups, office infrastructure, and professional installations. Ethernet cables might seem simple, but the specifications behind them actually make a big difference in network performance. So the big question is this cable really worth buying? What do the numbers actually mean in real-world networking? And why are Cat6 cables still one of the most popular choices for modern internet installations? Let's start with the most important specification: data speed. This Cat6 cable supports network speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second. That means it can handle extremely fast data transfers, which is important for modern networks that include gigabit internet service, cloud storage, gaming systems, streaming devices, and high-performance workstations. Another key number is the bandwidth rating. This cable is rated at 550 MHz, which refers to the frequency range the cable can handle while transmitting data. Higher bandwidth allows the cable to carry more information at once, reducing congestion and helping maintain stable, high-speed network connections across longer cable runs. Now let's talk about the wire itself. This cable uses 23 AWG insulated solid bare copper conductors. The 23-gauge wire size is thicker than the smaller conductors used in some lower-category cables, which helps reduce signal resistance and improves overall transmission reliability. Solid copper conductors are also preferred for permanent installations such as wall runs, patch panels, and structured cabling systems. Another important design feature is the cross separator inside the cable. This noise-reducing cross divider keeps the four twisted pairs of wires separated from each other. By maintaining this spacing, the cable reduces crosstalk and signal interference between pairs, which helps maintain high-speed performance even across long distances. If this video is helping you, hit the like button so more smart shoppers like you can find it. Now let's talk about the cable rating, because this matters for building installations. This Cat6 cable is rated CMR, which stands for Communications Riser. CMR-rated cables are designed for vertical runs between floors in buildings and include fire-resistant insulation that helps limit flame spread in riser spaces. The outer jacket of this cable is built to protect the internal wiring while still maintaining flexibility during installation. The bright orange color also helps installers quickly identify the cable type during networking projects, especially when multiple cable types are present in the same wiring area. Because this is a 1,000-foot bulk spool, it's ideal for large networking projects. Installers can cut the cable to the exact length needed for each run, which helps reduce waste and allows for cleaner, more organized network installations. Another benefit of using bulk Ethernet cable is that it supports custom termination. With the proper RJ45 connectors and crimping tools, installers can create cables of any length required for routers, switches, patch panels, and wall outlets. In real-world networking setups, Cat6 cables like this are commonly used for connecting routers to switches, wiring office networks, running Ethernet through walls, or building high-speed home networks that support streaming, gaming, and smart devices. The 10 gigabit capability also helps future-proof the network. As internet speeds continue to increase and more devices connect to home and office networks, having high-capacity cabling ensures that the infrastructure can handle growing data demands. So why is this fast Cat6 Ethernet Cable 1000 FT spool such a popular choice for network installers and DIY enthusiasts? It combines 10 gigabit data speeds, 550 MHz bandwidth, 23 AWG solid copper wiring, and CMR fire-rated insulation, all in a large bulk spool that's perfect for building fast, reliable wired networks. For homeowners, IT professionals, and network installers who want dependable high-speed cabling for modern internet infrastructure, this Cat6 cable provides the performance and flexibility needed for professional quality installations. Thanks for watching CartSmart. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.